There's definitely something about manifesting and then going and seeing and touching and feeling and smelling that thing that you
Mm,
want, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So,
mhm.
Feels that much better.
Yeah,
yeah,
no
You,
doubt.
you think it feels this good, but it really feels this good.
for
Mhm,
sure.
Yeah, that's
For
mhm.
dope,
sure.
man. I'm happy for you and proud of you because even then, like that conversation that we had, I'm pretty sure it's that conversation. You said that one of your goals was to film for private jets, and I think it was like what 3 months later, four
Yeah,
months
I was
later,
like one of
something like that.
that big
Relatively
hangar.
quick.
There's a lot of
It
events
was
there.
it was relatively quick, but there you are filming for a private jet
Yeah,
company.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, that ended up that was funny. Yeah. What's really funny is actually this week we've got the co-founder CEO of one of the biggest private jet companies coming in to tour the facility. So